day, Cretans. My name is Mera Mashawa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the different ways in metal part can be joined. Also discuss about the disadvantages and also the advantages of each method. So today we are starting a very important topic in metal joining method. Okay, let's think about the cars, the building, the gate, the bridges, and even the small tools. All those things are made up of different metal parts joined together to form one strong and useful structure. In this metal, we join metal pieces to make products stronger, longer, or to shape them in the way we need. Some of these joints are permanent, and also when we talk about the permanent, this one, it cannot be easily undone. Then we also have this one is temporary. It can be undone. Also, we are going to talk about the differences between the permanent metal joint and also there's a temporary metal joint. Okay, let's start at the purpose of the metal joint. We have to know the purpose of the metal joint. Okay, to connect metal part permanently or temporarily. And also we have to be able to differentiate between the permanent and also the temporary method of joint. So we have the types of joint, types of joining method. We have the permanent joining method. This one cannot be, this cannot be undone without damaging the material. Under a permanent joining method, we have the welding. And also we have to know the different type of welding. We have the common type of welding. We have the arc welding. And also we have the MIG welding and the TIG welding. These ones are used in constructions, automotive. Then when we go to this one, a temporal joining method. A temporary joining method, this one cannot be undone without damaging the material. Then we have to know the advantages and also the disadvantages. Disadvantages. Okay. Number one, we have the method. The method advantages. The disadvantages.
Who's running?
Okay, method one, we have the welding. We have to know the advantages of the welding, which means we have this one, it is strong and permanent. Then the disadvantages, it requires skills and also equipment. Skills and equipment. Then we have the phrases. This is lower heat, and it's not as strong as welding. Also, we have to know the safety in joining. Safety in joining. You have to use the PPE. You use the PPE. PPE, we're talking about the gloves, the apron, the welding helmet, and also you have to walk in a well-ventilated area. Ventilated area. And understand the fire risk with the heat-based method. You have to understand the fire risk with the heat-based method. So you have to know the types of joining method. You know, in the permanent joining method, we have the common types of welding. You have to be able to name them, and also the differences and also the disadvantages of method joining. So today our class is going to end here. Thank you.